Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find coins for arbitrage trading. So the most simplest thing that you can actually do to find the one for arbitrage trading is looking at the charts. Yes, it's just that simple. By looking at the charts, you will see the price differences of each one of your coins right here. You can monitor everything from everywhere in this website called cryptowatch.net. So these are the coins that I have right here. I got Binance US dollar, so Ethereum to US dollar, Solana to US dollar, ADA, XRP, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, and BTC, and the total three right here, the DeFi market. So what you want to do basically is add Bitcoin and Binance, Bybit, Maxi, and other exchanges right here to monitor the price differences, and if you can see if you can catch a certain price difference when it comes to the volatility of the coin. So of course there are risks to this, and you must be smart when doing arbitrage trading. And as you can see, this I don't personally do it because it's kind of risky and volatile, because the market moves really fractal and it's hard to tell when you can even deposit the money into another exchange in time just to sell it and have even just the slightest of actual profits. So I personally don't do arbitrage trading, but this is the website that I would use if I would use the arbitrage trading strategy. And it's just that simple.